Hate traditional budgeting? Let's flip it upside down today. Come on. Reverse budgeting. Saving first, then spending. What you mean by that? Hey, what's up, everybody? If this is your first time here at Mentally Financial, I want to say thank you. If it's you returning, I want to say thank you too. Hey, here, I'm your favorite financial coach. We talk about everything personal finance. Hey, this is a teaching and a conversational platform. But today, I got 5 videos in this budgeting system. This is the last one called reverse budgeting. This budgeting plan is not for everybody. This is for someone who has a savings goal, I would say, and somebody who has money to cover other things. Because you did hear me say correctly, savings first, then spending. All right, in this video, we're going to talk about what the reverse budgeting is. We're going to talk about how it works. We're going to talk about who it's for. We're going to talk about successful tips. And I'm going to give you an example of how this works, okay? So without any fluff or delay, let's jump right into the video. What is reverse budgeting? Reverse budgeting is a budgeting plan that does not think about the other categories up front. If you look at any of my other videos or anything about budgeting plans, it's always needs, wants, savings. This is reversed. It's the savings first and then go the other way. All right. So that's why it's not for everybody, because a lot of people, ain't ready for this. This is for, so if you got a savings goal that you want to jump on, something that you're trying to put together, in my mind. Now, you could look at it any way you want to look at it because it's your plan, okay? That's why I tell people also, every budgeting plan is not for everybody, okay? So don't let these financial gurus tell you about the financial plans and say, yes, that's the one for you. You have to pick the one that fits you the best, not what we tell you is the best. Now, the thing about this reverse budgeting also, you got to be good with your money. Because remember, you're saving first, then you're paying your bills. You know what I'm saying? Because whatever's left is what you're paying your bills for. With, okay? So how that works is this. You set a savings goal, whatever that might be, i.e. $300 a month, okay? Then what's left out of that is how you pay your other bills, okay? Now, you do this by setting up an automatic transfer so you don't even see the money. Let it be gone before it even hits, your bank account. And then you live off what's left. So it's almost like being a minimalist. It forces you, in a sense, to be a minimalist because you already know that money is gone, okay? Now, a quick example. If you make $2,800 a month, you have a savings goal of $500. That leaves you $2,300 to pay the other bills with. Remember, those are your needs, your wants. You know what I'm saying? Meaning that mortgage, that rent, the car note, the food, the gas. Does it work for you? It might not. So that's just an example of how it works. Now, who is this for? This plan is for somebody who does not like spreadsheets, does not like tracking every dollar that the other plans force you to do. This is almost that carefree person. Hey, my bills are good. I need to set a savings plan. I want to take a trip. I want to buy a house. I want to get a birthday gift. I want to do whatever. I'm putting my money to savings. That's who this plan is for. So, hey, and it's a simple way just to, live life carefree sometime. Everybody can't do that. Now, tips for success with this plan. You have to prioritize your savings and simplify other bills. You just gotta make it work. You know what I'm saying? Because this is a plan more for savings. Then you want to make sure that you do track your other, things that get you that's in your life, because you got to stay balanced. Because if you're not keeping it balanced, you're going to be thrown off really quick. All right. So you want to combine a minimal style of tracking what you're doing at the same time focusing on your savings. That's pretty much what this is all about. Okay. Now, this was a quick video about reverse budgeting, but like I said, I have 4 other videos in this series. We started 4 weeks ago. I want to thank y'all for checking them all out. Hey, I will drop them down in the description so you'll see all the 5 videos in this series. This is the last one for budgeting. Next week, or in the next couple of weeks, I think I'm going to talk about credit scores or credit reports so you can understand those. This was just a video series to give you an idea of what the budgeting plans that are out there and open to you. Now, like I said, I'm a financial coach, and if you need any type of help, I have free services for anyone who is looking to get their finances straight. Okay? Like I said, drop me a comment. Let me know what's on your mind. This is a conversational community. We want to talk about the things that's on your mind. You know what I'm saying? I'm just bringing the content to you, and we're going to make it happen. And like I say in all my videos, I do the research for you. I live the life. You just got to follow. I'm your boy, Gary B, aka Uncle G, and I'll see you in my next video.